Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for joining me once again back onto my channel. My name is Belinda, and if you've not already subscribed, please don't forget to press the subscribe button as well as turn on your notification bell so that you get a notification every time I upload. So today guys, I am going to be doing an empty apartment tour. I just collected the keys today and I'm moving my stuff in today. So this is really the first apartment that obviously I'm going to be showing you guys since I've moved into or moved rather to the US. So yes, it is hot. It is extremely hot, guys. So anyway, without any further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Alright guys, so let's get straight into this video. Like I mentioned to you guys, this is an empty apartment tour. This is a 2-bedroom apartment in Indiana. Yeah, that's where I'm currently residing. So when you come in and you go towards your right, that is literally the living room area. So it's got a bit of a bit of space, okay, and it's also got a sliding door leading out to the balcony. I am literally on the third floor. I really like this for myself because I do not want to be underneath anybody because I don't want to hear anybody walking above me, if that makes any sense. And then if you come towards your left area, I've got a small tiny dining room area which I'm going to put my 4 dining room seater table. I'm still going to get one, yeah. I'm going to put that on that side, and then obviously I've got a bit of storage as well, which really comes in handy. And then obviously towards the other left side, if you keep turning, that's where the kitchen is, okay. So it's like an open dining room table slash open kitchen, if that makes any sense. So as you walk into the kitchen, guys, you're gonna go straight right through the dishwasher. Yes, this apartment does come with a dishwasher, which I'm grateful for. However, I'm most likely not gonna use it, okay. And then obviously you've got your fridge and freezer as well. Oh yeah, that's my drink. Yeah, that is my drink. And then, like I said to you guys initially, or I don't know if I said this before, but this is literally new appliances, a new cooker, as well as a everything. All the appliances in the kitchen is literally new, right? Because when I moved into this apartment, I had to wait about 2 to 3 weeks for them to actually refurbish it and upgrade the appliances. Okay, so obviously, as you guys can see, there is more storage and more storage, just for me to put things in. And I must say guys, like literally the favorite part of the kitchen for me would be the tap, right? And I know you'll be thinking, tap, why? Yeah, because this tap literally comes out and then you can put it back in, which is not really, or what, which is not what I had before when I was in the UK. So really, I really like that for me. So guys, this is literally the kitchen. It is a small space kitchen, obviously. So straight ahead, we've got the corridor. So when I'm walking down the corridor like that, I come across this cupboard, the bathroom and the bedroom. So let me just switch this light on. So in here, I've got some storage that I can use just to put a couple of things, you know, laundry, detergents, etc, anything really. And then when you come through this way, this is going to be the first bedroom. So this bedroom, guys, is going to be like my clothing room, study room, so just like a beauty room, just to store all my things. I'm just going to study in here overall. So I'm going to show you guys how this room looks like. So this is the first bedroom. I'm going to turn this into like a study room, beauty room, clothing room. So I'm just going to have probably my table over there. I'm going to get some, and also it's got a wardrobe that I can store the rest of my stuff in. And then some more space over here. So basically this is just like one of the 2 bedrooms that I will be having. And then when we go on to the room that is across, so let me close the door. And then across the room I've got another door. This door is literally the bathroom. Cupboards, like I said, it's a basic bathroom. It's got basin and then cabinets, so just to store a couple of things in. And then it's got a basic bath, which I'm also going to put some curtains on, and then I'm going to change the shower head possibly, depending. And then yeah, I'm just going to make it a bit of, so this is a bit of a small bathroom, but it's doable. At the end of the day, it's just me, myself and I, so it's okay. And then if you just open this door, this leads you to the master bedroom. I requested for a washer and dryer. And so in the apartment, there is a place where there's a communal washer and dryer. However, you can request for your own washer and dryer inside the apartment. So I believe they come as a unit. So this is the dryer, basically, still brand new and everything. And then at the bottom, you've got the washer. So that comes in handy. I'm really grateful because I don't really like to share washer and dryer. And then as you turn into here, guys, this is literally the walk-in wardrobe. So me too, just a couple of more clothing things inside and see how it goes. So I'm not complaining, I'm actually quite happy with the space. I'm gonna put some cupboard drawers here for shoe storages and, you know, just make it a bit more organized. So that's that. And then lastly is the master bedroom. So this is a bit more, this room is a bit more bigger than the other room. So this is going to be the master bedroom. I'm still deciding on which way I want the space to be. I think overall the bed will be facing that way. Yeah, because the TV and the chest of drawers is going to come on here. So I'm going to get someone to come and mount the TVs on the wall. Yeah. So guys, this brings me to the end of my video. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. I'm super excited for this journey and creating more content, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye.